And let's go ahead and get started.
Oh, I can't wait to open it.
Alright. Go. Just would you look at that? Look at that. It can open, but I don't want to break it once again because I broke it how opening it. But this looks like one incredible ball. And if you like my videos, just hit that subscribe button. And I hope you watch all of our videos and make sure that and remember, if you hit the subscribe button on every channel of our video, and we hope you have a great night and a great, happy, fun night. Bye, kids. Bye, kids.